What's up, my shady bells? It's your favorite here, Dr. Tish, and welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, on today's video, I'm going to be doing some product knowledge. I have two different types of shampoos, and I'm going to be giving you some really good information about these two different shampoos. But before we get started, make sure you do me a favor and you hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell next to it, comment, share, and thumbs up this video. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So as I was saying in my intro, on today's video, I'm going to be doing some product knowledge, and I'm going to be giving you some information on two different types of products. And well, they're not two different types of products. They're both a sulfate-free shampoo. And so today I'm going to be showing you the difference between a professional product and a product bought from the beauty supply store. And what makes a professional product is the fact that you can only purchase these products at a beauty supply store that only licensed cosmetologists can shop at. Now, the regular beauty supply stores, they're open to the public, so that's what makes those a product that we consider to not be a product that we don't consider a professional product. Okay, so the two products that I have are like I said, a sulfate-free shampoo by Design Essentials, and I also have a sulfate-free shampoo by CREME. I went to two different beauty supply stores today and got these products from either Sally's and Salon Centric. So in the next clip is going to be me showing you the stores that I went to and also the products that I actually bought. Hello, how you doing? So I just left from one beauty supply store, and the beauty supply store that I just left out of, that is actually the professional beauty supply store where I buy my professional line of products. And now I'm gonna head to, I think I'm gonna go to Sally's and just get one shampoo so that I could compare the differences between the shampoo from Sally's, which is a regular beauty supply store, versus a professional beauty supply store. And just give you guys a little bit of information and knowledge on the two different types of product. I only bought, what I got out of this store was the Mizani Dry and Itchy Scalp Shampoo. I just got that one bottle because I have other products at home that I'm going to share some information with you guys and give you guys some knowledge on the other products I have at home. So that's why I only bought that. I didn't have to buy anything else. But let's head to Sally's. Good, how are you? No, I'm just looking. Let me tell y'all exactly how much I love y'all. I love you guys so much that I sat and wrote down every ingredient in both shampoos. I looked up the definition for every ingredient. It took me about an hour or two just to do that for this video for you guys. So I hope that you all appreciate this. I really, really do. But anyway, let's get into the two products that I'm going to be showing you, the different ingredients that they have in them and how they affect your hair. So the first product is by Design Essentials, and this is the Honey Cream Sulfate Free Moisture Let me put my glasses on because y'all, your girl can't see no more. Moisture retention, moisture retention, super detangling conditioning shampoo. So this is Design Essentials, okay? And then the next one I have is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. It says Argan Oil from Morocco, sulfate free moisture and shine shampoo. Gently cleanses, hydrates, and detangles. Excuse me. So, first of all, like I said, I wrote down everything about these two products just for you guys. I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna bring it, I'm gonna bring it right. Okay? I didn't have to say bring it all that many times. But anyway, the first one, which is the Cream of Nature. Cream of Nature has 22 ingredients in it, and Design Essentials has 16 ingredients in it. Now, the interesting that I found out about these products was how much drying agent is in one versus the other one, and how much moisturizing ingredients is in one versus the other one. Okay, it was very interesting when I did the research on these products. So for Cream of Nature, I'm not going to read all of the ingredients, of course, because I'll be here all night. And I can't even give you the name of the ingredients because most of these names I can't even pronounce, and I'm not even gonna sit up here and try to fake the funk for y'all, okay? So for the Cream of Nature, these are the different effects that it has on the hair. So it says, and as I read each one, that is for a different ingredient. So one of the ingredients says dryness. Another one says, that was the first ingredient. Well, the second ingredient, because the first ingredient was water. Anytime the first ingredient is water, then you know that that product has more water than anything else in the product. So what I found with the Cream of Nature shampoo is that it has, out of the 22 ingredients, 7 of these ingredients dries the hair out, right? Then 2 of these ingredients, only 2 of the ingredients in Cream of Nature, 2 out of 22 ingredients, only 2 of them adds moisture to the hair. That's a problem. It has 2 preservatives. It has 1 ingredient that reduces frizz and revives the hair. 1 ingredient that is the cleanser. And 1 ingredient that smooths the hair. So, and I didn't even read to you guys all the other things that the other ingredients provide for the hair. I just wanted to point out these things because the other things aren't really that relevant. It's like dye and stuff like that. But the point I'm making here is that out of the ingredients in this Cream of Nature sulfate-free shampoo, out of all of these 22 ingredients here, there's only 2 ingredients that moisturize the hair. Just 2. But the bottle says gently cleanses, hydrates, and detangles. How can it be hydrating the hair if it only has 2 moisturizers in it and 7 ingredients that makes the hair dry? And the ingredients that make the hair dry are actually high up on the ingredient list to where, well, what I'm trying to say is because it's high up on the ingredient list, it has more of that ingredient in the product. So on the list of ingredients, whichever product is listed first, as I stated, that's the product that has, that's the ingredient that's the most in that product. And all of the drying agents in Cream of Nature are very close to the first ingredients on the ingredient list. Like, it's really close up there. So that means that the Cream of Nature shampoo has way more ingredients in it that's going to dry the hair. And now let me give y'all the deets on the Design Essentials moisturizing shampoo, sulfate-free shampoo. So the Design Essentials has 1 ingredient inside of it that makes the hair dry. It has 7 ingredients that adds moisture. It has 1 ingredient that is an antifungal and 1 ingredient that is the cleanser. I didn't read off all of the different ingredients inside of this product because it's too many to read off all of them. In addition to that, the ones that I didn't read, they are like fragrance ingredients and like your ingredients that adds color to it. The point I'm trying to make is this. Think about the fact that in this bottle, there are 7 ingredients that dries out your hair. 7. And 2 that adds moisture. Now this bottle has 7 ingredients that adds moisture and 1 ingredient that causes dryness. That's a no-brainer. Are you gonna go with the store-bought product from the beauty supply store where the public can shop at? Or are you gonna go with the professional product in the beauty supply store that only your hairstylist can shop at? And I know you're probably saying, okay, so if only the licensed cosmetologist can shop at the professional store, how am I, the consumer, going to get the professional product? Let me tell you how you're going to get the professional product. You're going to buy it from your licensed cosmetologist. Yeah, you're going to buy it from your stylist. That's where you're going to get the product from. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. Like, before I did this research on the ingredients that's in both of these products, I was prepared to come on here and say that there's no big difference between the 2 products because they're both sulfate free. I promise you, I was going to come up here and argue this case that it's no difference, that you can use both and don't feel bad about it. I was going to come up here and do that, but once I read the ingredients and looked them up, I looked up every ingredient on these bottles. And once I did that and I came to find out what I found out, I said, baby, as much as I like some Cream of Nature, never again. There was 2 products in this bottle that literally said, if this ingredient is in your shampoo, then you need to avoid it and run. That's what it said. That's what it said. So this shampoo right here is what I use on my clients. I love Design Essentials, and now that I actually read the ingredients that's in this bottle, I'm loving it even more, because the things that it was saying that Design Essentials moisture retention shampoo does for your hair. Wow, I was like, wow. Yes, I love it. I was impressed. I was impressed. So, I hope this video helps someone out, you know, in terms of trying to find the right type of product that's going to make your hair moisturized, soft and supple, and just feeling good and looking good and actually being healthy. So if you're one of those people that is concerned about the moisture in your hair, I'm telling you, hands down, go with Design Essentials moisture retention shampoo. I love this shampoo, and you can actually get it from me. And I'm going to put my IG information in the description below this video, and you can just reach out to me on there and I can get you this product along with the conditioner. I wouldn't want to just sell you the shampoo by itself. So if you want to get this shampoo, I definitely would recommend that you get the conditioner as well. And they only like $12 a bottle. Anyway, with that being said, again, I hope that this video helps someone out. And if you want to get the products, reach out to me on Instagram at Hair with Flair. And is there anything else I wanted to say? I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. But remember, hair is your glory. Peace.